everybody, it's me and her back. We were trying to settle who's the best at meowing like a baby cat. So she's gonna go first. Go! My turn. Did I do good? Did I sound like a baby cat? Bye. Bye. I hope you have a great day. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you did, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye. Well,
Bye.
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 Hope you have a great day.
Yeah. Bye.
Or night. Bye.